You got numbness, tingling all down your arms, your legs, then you want to do the basketball bounce, right? So this is the basketball bounce, right? So what this is, there's different martial arts clans in China, and one of the clans was called Kunlun Pai, which is the Kunlun clan. And so what they did was they developed this exercise to exercise the whole nervous system in your whole body, the nervous system in your whole body, right? So basically it's like bouncing a basketball, okay? You bounce a basketball, with the palm, right? Little with the fingers, but mostly with the palm. So you're just going to bounce the basketball, bounce the basketball. You do it slow motion, bounce the basketball. So you're going to start noticing, okay? You're going to start noticing one hand bounces the basketball better than the other one, right? So that tells you that there is a disharmony, or there's a miscommunication between your brain and one part of your nervous system. And so a lot of times we'll say, like for my left hand, it's not as smooth as my right hand, right? If you go from the side view, it looks like this. You're bouncing the basketball, right? This is the bounce. This is the Kunlun clan basketball bounce secret martial arts technique, all right? You're going to notice, one hand is bouncing less. So that could mean that this side of your body has poor communication with your brain, which means you got to do this. Just do this for 3 minutes. It's actually pretty hard. 3 minutes, you want to bounce the basketball, right? Bounce the basketball. Now it's not rotating it like this. It's bouncing up and down. It's not bouncing with your fingers, okay? It's bouncing with your palm. So when you're bouncing with your palm, it looks like this, right? You start noticing, oh man, my arm's getting sore, everything getting sore. That's good. That's exercising. This is a simple exercise to rejuvenate your nervous system. Rejuvenate your nervous system for your whole body, right? Okay? Do this and let me know how it works. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page where we will be putting on more of these instructional at-home videos to help you improve your health.
I had a problem with my feet for several years, numbness and lack of feeling because of the nerve problem. I saw a neurologist who told me I had, the nerves were dead, I guess you'd call it, and there was nothing he could do about it. So finally I was having a problem driving, and I decided to try acupuncture. After approximately 4 months, I have all of the feeling back in my feet, and it's great.
So, I wanted to share an experience recently. We had someone fly in from Michigan, then Arizona, and then to Austin, Texas. And after just 1 week of treatments with us, there's significant change, huge difference in the sensations, because one of the sensations for neuropathy is numbness, the inability to feel, right? We take it for granted. We feel things today, but now it's like once you lose it, it's like, wow, you can't do anything. It's hard to do anything. And this patient, loves to play the guitar, and that was one of the things that he can't do, right? And so, after just 1 week of treatments, using our neuropathy protocol, we have a specific protocol that we developed. We have our own acupuncture technique, neuropathy technique, and a protocol that helps restore nerve function. And so, just after 1 week, the patient is walking so much better, and sensations are coming alive, and so it's just huge. So those are the common experiences, the common results that we get when we have people go through our neuropathy protocol. Super effective, and we're excited to have people fly in. But either way, whether you fly into our clinic or not, we would definitely want to make sure neuropathy is not like a 1 week or 2 week treatments. It definitely takes months, sometimes years, to help you restore, because we have trillions of nerves in our fingers, in our feet. It takes time. It takes time to regenerate, if they regenerate at all or not. Some don't regenerate. We have different options. We have different options for people who want to seek that help. And eventually, we always want to find someone local for that patient, regardless of where they're coming from. We have a few patients in California with neuropathy, and we are helping them. We help find local practitioners to continue the treatments, because, like I said, it's definitely going to be months of treatments. It could be 6 months to a year to get really a lot of regeneration of the nerves. So we partner up with other acupuncturists all around the US and around the world. We have a lot of acupuncturists in Australia, and a few in the UK. And so if you know someone who has neuropathy, and maybe they wanted just to make sure, because our protocol makes sure that we know definitively if acupuncture is going to help their neuropathy or not. It's very black or white. There's no gray area. And so some patients, what they choose to do is they fly in to our clinic for about a week or 2 weeks, and then we make sure we test their body, make sure that their body is responding to the acupuncture and that their nerves are able to regenerate. And then we send them home and we help them find someone local to continue on the treatments and restoring their nerve function and regaining their quality of life back.